Awareness is power. It was around 3 p.m. I had just got home from work and was relaxing in bed when I heard a loud screeching sound followed by a sudden crash. Then silence. 1 second went by. 5 seconds went by. 10 seconds went by. Then sudden rapid footsteps that sounded to be moving in my direction. My door slammed open. It was my housemate and friend. He had a worried expression on his face and an urgent tone to his voice. I prepared for the worst. He told me someone slammed into my car and took off. I didn't believe him. Instantly, something switched on in my mind and I realized I had sprinted out the door, only to see the left side of my car smashed in with debris all over the street. There was no sign of the other car. My heart sank. I didn't know what to do. My mind had 1,000,001 questions. I felt overwhelmed. Anger, frustration, and a feeling of revenge welled up inside me. So I did the only thing I could do. If you're like most people, when someone mentions the term meditation, the image that forms on the screen of your mind involves a bald monk out in the forest, away from society. This monk is completely still and has his legs crossed while humming in a slow, concentrated hymn. Although meditation can look like this, for most people, it is nothing like this. In fact, meditation can be done anywhere, at any time. And not only is it proven to be healthy for you, it's proven to help you live a better life. And all you ever need is a moment to breathe. So, then if meditation doesn't involve weird hums and bald monks, what does it involve? And why should I do it? Well, there are hundreds of types of ways to meditate, but there's only one reason to meditate, and that is to calm the mind. If you sat down and took a few minutes to examine all the thoughts that popped up in your mind, you would soon realize that most of them are negative. And not only do our thoughts impact our emotional state, but they affect our lives. Although meditation is used and can be used for its many different benefits, the real point of meditation is to learn how to slow down your thoughts so you can consciously become aware of them and flip them into positive thoughts, which will eventually form a habit of positive thinking and affect your life. Sitting down in a quiet space for 5 to 10 minutes a day while just focusing on your breath helps you to achieve this. But why should you consider meditation? Well, besides the fact that meditation can be done anywhere, in any situation, reduces stress, increases focus and compassion, and instantly improves your mood, it is also a keystone habit. A keystone habit, as defined by Charles Duhigg, the author of the book The Power of Habit, literally has the power to transform your life once implemented. All habits will change the way you do things, but not all habits are the same. Meditation is one of those habits that, if implemented, will spill over into all other areas of your life. I'm talking about areas like relationships, school, work, productivity, your ability to self-motivate, and much more. Not only is meditation a keystone habit, but it has the ability to completely calm your mind. The story I told at the start of the video is a true story. In fact, it's my story. In that moment where my mind felt like it was racing 100 miles per second, the simple act of breathing was enough to calm my mind and help me make rational decisions, which eventually led me to finding the person who crashed into my car and end with a positive outcome for both parties. This is just one scenario out of many where I used a quick form of meditation to calm myself. Since I started meditating, I've noticed myself become calmer, more motivated, and clear-minded. Things that used to affect me may as well not even exist to me anymore. I'm now able to focus for long periods of time on tasks and get far more things done in a day than ever before. And I'm now able to consciously monitor my thoughts throughout the day, which, if you've watched my video on thinking, you'll know is one of the most important skills you can develop in life. To someone who looks at meditation from the outside looking in, it may seem pointless and boring. I used to be this person. But I encourage you to try for just 5 minutes a day for a week and see the immediate difference it makes in your life. I used to dread meditating, and now it's one of my favorite things to do, and all I ever have to do is breathe. With that said, thank you. If this video resonated with you, feel free to join our family by hitting that like button and subscribing for more content. And if you liked the video, make sure to show some love in the comments below. Until next time, this is Success Mindset, and remember, dreams do come true.